Seemingly comprehensive functions? Appealing presentations and ads? No, these two can never be the standards for you to decide if a loading software is good or not. It's the scientificity and practicality of the algorithm that is the core value. So how to use this standard to make a right choice? 1. Use the same set of data and the same loading requirements to test. Then you can easily identify which software can meet your requirements. If it cannot meet the loading requirements, then no matter how cheap it is, it loses its procurement value. 2. If the software can meet your requirements, then can it load as many as your current level? For your information, some software even load less than manual loading level. If reaching the current level, then how much can the loading rate be increased? Then you can evaluate how much freight costs can be saved and how much profit can be increased with the software. According to feedback from our customers, the core algorithm of LoadMaster is globally leading, and its 3D load plan is accurate, reliable, and highly practical. Its loading rate is about 4% higher than that of its competitors and 10% higher compared to manual loading levels. The specific increase in loading rate for your company can be known only through actual testing.